How to fix Instagram audio calling option not showing problem. So if you open up your Instagram application and go with a particular chat, and here on the upper right you will have the audio call option and video call option, right? But if you don't have the audio calling option, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go back and you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon. Once you're under the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon, now you just need to simply scroll down, go with the account privacy. And if you have your account as a private account, then you just need to simply toggle it off and switch your account to a public account. Once you switch your account to a public account, then your problem might be fixed. You need to relaunch your Instagram and check if you have that problem. But if it still exists, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your Play Store if you're using your Android, and you need to open up your App Store if you're using your iOS device. So go with search, and under search you need to search for Instagram. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Instagram, you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just tap and hold on to your Instagram application, go with the app info, go with storage and cache, go with clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now you need to go back and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions, like the microphone permission, the call permission, allow the call logs permission, and phone permission. Because if you've not allowed, then you will not be able to call, or you won't have the audio or your video calling option. So make sure that you allow the permission and just go back and make sure that you've also allowed the notifications or turn on the notifications. And after that, go back and relaunch your Instagram and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then just go and uninstall the Instagram application. And once you've uninstalled, you need to again go and install it from your App Store or your Play Store and log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Instagram audio calling option not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.